all my dear student. In previous two periods, I have discussed area related to circles, formulas and exercise 12.1. Today, I start your exercise 12.2, page number 230. First examples, find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if the angle of the sector is 60 degrees. First we draw the figures. Now I have discussed about the formulas of the sector. Here O is the center, AB is the minor arc, and angle subtend at the center, it is given 60 degrees. Again I repeat the definition of the sector. Region bounded by arc and corresponding radii, it is called the sector. Means the OA union OB union arc AB, minor or major. Here it is the, we find out the minor sector. So now also I discuss about the formulas. A means the area of minor sector. Area of the sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. In first periods I discuss about it. Pi values, if it is not given, so takes always 22 upon 7. So 22. Radius, here it is given 6 centimeters. So into 6 r square. So 6 into 6, theta is given 60 upon 22 upon 7, 22 upon 7, so 7 it is in the denominators, multiplied by 360. There is the 0 cancel, 6 36, 6 cancel. So 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 plus 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Second example, find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. Now quadrant, in 6, 7, 8 you learn about the graph, first, second, third, fourth quadrant. So there is the horizontal and vertical line, x axis and y axis intersect each other at a right angle. So theta here it is given 90 degrees and circumference here it is given 22. Now apply the formulas. Your second examples, circumference denoted by C is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, here circumference values given 22 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Therefore, 22, 2 reciprocal, now takes the another side 2. So reciprocal of the 2, 1 upon 2, 22 upon 7, reciprocal of the 22 upon 7, 7 upon 22 is equal to r. Therefore, r is equal to 22 cancel, 7 upon 2 centimeters. Now apply the sector formulas or quadrant. There is the fourth quadrant, means the 1/4 of the pi r square, area of the circles, and quadrant. So here there is the, here 1/4, we want to find out the quadrant. It means the 1/4 of the areas of the circle. Apply the formulas. 1/4 of the pi r square, area of the circle is pi r square. or area of the quadrant, area of the quadrant or area of the sector. Suppose I use the area of quadrant is equal to 1/4 pi r square. 1/4 pi values 22/7, radius just we find 7/2 into 7/2, 7 cancel, 2 11 ja. Now there is the remaining 11 7 ja 77 and 4 2 ja 8 centimeter square. You can also apply the sector formulas, pi r square theta upon 360. R just we find, theta here it is quadrant, therefore it is the 90 degrees. Third examples, length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Now length of the minute hand. Now observe the clock carefully. Your minute hand, length of the minute hand, it becomes the radius. It becomes the radius, and there is the complete the one circles. It is the 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So there are the 12 sectors. So divided by the 12. So every 5 minutes. Angle swept by the minute hand in every 5 minutes is 30 degrees. So here draw the figures again. There is the centers. Suppose here it is the A, here it is the B, minute hand at the A, and after the 5 minutes, suppose it reach at the B. And just I discuss about the angles subtended by minute hand is the 360 divided by 12 multiplied by minutes, so it is the 5. So it is the 6 5s are 30. Also you have to remember every 5 minutes angle swept by the minute hand is the 30 degrees. So here theta is equal to 30 degrees given. Why it is the 30 degrees? In 5 minutes angle swept by the minute hand it is the 30 degrees. Now apply, it forms the sectors. So area of the sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Pi values 22/7. There is the length of the minute hand, it becomes the radius. So radius here it is given 14 into 14. Theta just we find it is the 30 degrees. 7/360. 7 2s are 14, 0 0 cancel. Then there is the 2 18s are 2 9s are, and there is the 2 11s are. Then there is the 11 into 14 divided by 9. So 14 into 11, 140 and 14. So 194 154 upon 9 centimeter square. Now fourth examples, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend at a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and measure sector. use the pi is equal to 3.14. Now chord of a circle of a radius 10 centimeters. Now here suppose it is the AB is a chord, O is the center, and there is the OA and OB. There is the, we want to find out the segment. Also I discussed about the definition of the segment. There is the union of the chord and corresponding arc. It is called the segment. Already I highlights about your segment, minor or major segment. Here we want to find out the minor segment. Radius here it is given 10 centimeters. So here 10 and it is also a 10 and it is a right angle triangles. Now formulas also I have discussed. Area of the minor segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Here I given the name triangles OAB. So there is the first we find out the area of sector, means the minor sector, is equal to, we want to find out the segment. So just I have discussed the formulas. Area of the sector pi r square theta upon 360. Pi values 314, here it is given 314 into, there is the radius, it is given 10 into 10, theta is given 93.14. So upon, cancel the two decimal points, so write down the 3.14, so 314 upon 100 into 360, 0, 0, cancel, 9 4s are 36, 0, 0, cancel. Now there is the cancel, 2s are and 157. So 157 upon 2 is equal to 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16.5 centimeter square. Now there is the area of triangle OAB. Now we want to find out the area of the triangle OAB. Segment, so there is the sector minus there is the unshaded portion. We want to minus this one, area of the triangle OAB. So right angle triangles, so half into product of the two sides containing right angle. Here there is the radii, so there is the product of the two radii. So it is a half into 10 into 10. 2 5s are 10. So there is the 50 centimeter square. Now we want to find out the area of the segment. Area of the segment, here particularly not given, means the minor segment. So area of sector minus area of triangle OAB is equal to area of the sector, just we find 78.5 minus area of the triangles, it is the 50, so there is the 28.5 centimeter square. Now there is the second question. Find the major sector. So area of major sector is equal to area of the circle pi r square minus area of the minor sector, area of the minor sector. So area of the major sector is equal to area of the circle, means the pi r square, minus area of minor sector. Now 22 upon 7 multiplied by, sorry, here pi values already it is given, 3.14314 upon 100 into radius, here it is given 10 into 10 minus area of the minor sectors, just we find it is the 78.5 means 0 cancel, 314.0 minus 78.5, so there is the 5, 13, so there is the 5, there is the 10, so there is the 3, 235.5 centimeter square. Now next examples. In a circle of radius 21 centimeters, an arc subtends at a right angles of 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc. Second question, area of the sector. Third question, area of the segment. So there are the three questions in examples number 5. A circle of a radius 20 centimeters. Now first draw the figures. Circles there is the center point O, and suppose OA and OB. It is the radii of a circles. Radius here it is given 21. So OA is the radius 21. OB it is also a radius 21, and there is the 60 degrees at the center. Now first we find out the length of the minor arc. Length of minor arc. Length of minor arc. Already I have discussed the formulas. Pi r theta upon 180. Here so many students make the mistake here, apply the sector formulas. Don't apply. There is the arc and sectors, both are the difference. So there is the pi r theta upon 180. Pi r theta upon 180. Pi values here not given, so apply the 22 upon 7. 22 r, there is the 21 into theta, here it is given 60 upon 22 upon 7 into 180. 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6 3s are, and there is the 3 7s are and 7 7 cancel. So there is the 22 centimeters. Now second question is area of the sectors. Now area of sector. In previous examples up to 1 2 3 4 examples, I apply the formulas pi r square theta upon 360. Also I have derived the second formulas, area of the sector, half into L into R. L means the minor arc. Here both way you can solve, but here already you have to find out the length of the arc. It is denoted by the L. So what is the L means the 22. So apply the second formulas, half into L into R. So is equal to half into L into R. half into L. What is the L? Just we find out 22. Radius here it is given 21. So 2 11s are 22. 21 into 11. So 210 and 21. So is equal to 231 centimeter square. Now third question, there is the area of the segment. Now area of segment. In previous examples also I have discussed area of the segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle OAB. So area of the sector, just we find out it is the, what is the area of the sectors? 231. So apply the formula, area of the sector minus area of triangle OAB. Area of the sectors 231 minus, here angles it is the 60 degrees given. So there is the OA and OB, there is the isosceles triangles, therefore it is also a 60-60. So it is a equiangular triangles, and equiangular it is also a equilateral triangles. So already in the first periods I have discussed about the formulas, area of the triangles. Root 3 upon, if it is the equilateral triangles, then we can easily find out one formulas, root 3 upon 4 side square. Here side here it is given 21. So root 3 upon 4 side square, side it is given 21 and 21. So 231 minus root 3 upon 4 into 441. So 231 minus 441 upon 4 root 3 centimeter square. Now here there is the root 3 values, it is approximate 1.73. So otherwise if you want to give the more simplification, substitute the root 3 values is 1.73. So substitute the 1.73 and there is a simplification. Now 6 examples. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment. Here question is the segment. Sectors and segments both are the difference. Now there is the radius, here it is given 15. So 15 and angles it is given the 60 degrees. Find out the segment. So segment, area of the segment means the minor segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle OAB. So first we find out the sector, area of sector. is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Pi values 22 upon 7. Theta here it is r is given 15, so 15 into 15. Angle it is given 60 upon 360. 0 0 cancel. 6 6 36. 2 11 2 3 3 5. So there is the 11 5 55 into 15. So 55 into 15, 550 and 5 5 are 25, 275, 5 2, 5 plus 2 7, 825 centimeter square. 5, there is the 12, 7 and 8, 25 centimeter square. Now there is the area of the triangles. Area of triangles OAB. There is the equilateral triangles. Already I have applied the formulas. Root 3 upon 4 side square. Root 3 upon 4. Side here it is given 15 into 15. Means 225 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Now root 3 values is 1.73. Apply the 1.73 and multiplied and then divided. So area of, now question is not a sector, not a triangles. Question is segment. So area of the segment is equal to area of the sector, area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Here I given the triangle name, it is the OAB. Area of the sectors just we find 825 minus it is the 225 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Now there is the second question. 6 examples. There is the second part. Minor and major segment. So area of major segment is equal to area of, we want to find out the measure. So there is the, it is the minor segment, it is the major segment. So area of the circle, area of circle minus area of the minor segment, area of the minor segment. So area of the circle pi r square minus, there is the 825 minus 225 root 3 upon 4, pi values 22 into, there is the r here it is given 15 into 15 minus 825 225 root 3 upon 4. So there is the multiplication, 225 multiplied by 22 upon 7 and give the simplification. Here it is your major segment. Here you have to substitute the root 3 values. So here I have not enough time. So here substitute the root 3 values is approximate 1.73 and simplify and find out the final answer. Next examples I will discuss in next periods. Thank you so much.